Okay, I think this is working. Hello, LCPs. Welcome to the tutorial for the Team Standards Tracking Tool. I am going to share my screen with you and get started. Screen share. Boom. Hello. Yes. Okay. So that's, oh my God. Okay. Moving on to the Team Standards Tracker. Once it loads, it is gonna load right now. Awesome. All right. So this is the Team Standards Tracking Tool. Awesome. Beautiful. Well done. Thank you, Masha. Thank you, everyone who worked on this. So I'm going to explain to you a little bit about how it works. So we have our team information, everything about the team over on this side, then over here, team meetings, everything about the team is up here. So this is your job as team leader and your VP's job as team leader to fill all these things out. And again, okay, hide that, go away. So let's fill out the team name. Team name is OD, awesome. I've already filled out the team purpose and the team values and rules. Great, good job. I filled out our team meeting every day. My team members are Baby Hands, Fred, Mumbo Jumbo, and Sally. I only have 4 team members. I'm fulfilling team standards. But notice as I type in all of my team members, they pop up automatically over here, and as well as over here on their individual plan. So here's Baby Hands plan, here's Fred, here's Mumbo Jumbo, and here's Sally. Awesome. Good job. Good job, team. So here I can mark and see if Baby Hands, Fred, Mumbo Jumbo, and Sally have gone to their team meetings. Baby Hands, well done. Fred, good job. Mumbo Jumbo, you're being bad. Sally, good job. Good job, everyone. And then I can mark their LCM attendance as well, validation. Yay, good job. Everyone, okay, everyone went. We get that part. And so now what we can do is we look and see, so this is OD's team plan. Remember, again, if it has like a formula up in this bar up here, don't touch it, because that means it's special and you don't need it. You don't need to touch it. If you touch it, it might mess things up. So like all these boxes, don't touch those. This means that this is the plan fulfillment. So we see this is OD's team right here. We can see the next 4 months in the term, September, weeks, blah, 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 October here, November here. Great, good job. And so what I need to do now is sit down and decide what the KPIs of my team is. If I'm OGX, maybe it's number of opens and number of EPs contacted. Cool. Those are my KPIs. I've decided those with my team. These are the things we're going to concentrate on. Cool. Good job. So as I fill these in here, the KPIs for team plan, they pop up over here as well. So number of opens, number of EPs contacted, and here as well under Baby Hands plan, under Fred's plan, under Mumbo and Jumbo and Sally's plan. Awesome. This thing is super automated, super great. Yeah. So, okay, so number of opens. Let's say the plan, which is what P stands for, the plan versus reality. The plan for the first week of September, so September 1st through September 11th. This week's plan, I want my team of 4 people, to do 40 opens. I want them to, that's number of, let's change it to number of contacted opens. So I want them to, my whole team to contact 40 opens that we have this week. Let's change this actually to number of EPs applied. And I want 20 EPs to apply. So right now, nothing has happened, because remember, this box right here, don't touch the reality part. It has the formula in it, so don't touch those. So I want me as team leader, my team this week, we need to contact 40 opens and we need to have 20 EPs applied. So I can go down to my team. I have 4 members, all right? So I'm going to assign Baby Hands. I'm going to assign you 10 opens to contact. I'm also going to assign you 5 EPs. And I'm going to do the same thing for everyone, just because of an example's sake. You don't have to do the same one for each. You manage the team the way you want to manage your team. Totally fine, but that's what's happening right now. Cool. And as well as I put in here Baby Hands job and responsibilities, be a kick-ass EP manager. Cool. Fred, send people abroad at Fred the Triceratops. Awesome. Cool. So I can fill in every single one of these people's JDs. If they're different, we make sure they're different. If they're not different, cool, that's fine. They can be the same. A lot of JDs on just the general member level will be the same. That's totally fine. But this way, each of your team members can come onto this document, see exactly what their job and responsibilities is, know exactly when their one-on-one with you is following team standards, right? Good. So they know exactly when their one-on-one with their VP is, and they know what they have to do for that week, because you as team leader, you assign them these things, right? So baby hands can come in and be like, it's September 11th at this point. And baby hands is like, oh my God, I did 10 calls. Awesome. And then he's like, cool, I did 5 too. So the person that goes in and updates the reality of baby hands is baby hands. The team leader does not go in and say and text them every day and say, hey, have you done this yet? And the team leader is not the one updating the reality of what the member is doing. The member is doing that, because that's the member's responsibility to report to the team leader, and it's the team leader's responsibility to track the member on it. So Fred, in the beginning of the week, he does 15. Awesome, Fred. Fred is incredible. And he also gets 10 EPs to apply because he's just bomb. Mumbo Jumbo is kind of a piece of shit, and he only does 5, and then he gets 0 EPs to apply. Maybe he had something going on that week, but like Mumbo Jumbo is slacking a little bit. And Sally is awesome. She does what she said she's going to do. Good job, Sally. Now as team leader, I can go in and look at this and be like, oh my gosh, cool. My team did 100% of the things they said they were going to do. Great. But now what I'm going to do as a team leader is look and see what each of my team members did. So I can look at baby hands and be like, awesome, baby hands. Be like, damn, Fred, you're working it. Look at you. And be like, Mumbo Jumbo, wait a minute. But what's going on? What's going on, man? Why didn't you do what you said you were going to do? Like, can we talk about this? What's going on? Is everything okay? Good job, Sally. But like I can look and see what each of the individual performances are, right? So again, notice it's the team member updating this, and every time they update this, let's say, okay, cool. Today's August 23rd, so I put 8, 23, 16. Cool. That turns green, because if we look at conditional formatting, the date is within the week past, or the date is earlier than 1 week ago. So it needs to happen that the team member is updating this every week, and it turns green because green is good, right? Awesome. Cool. And that is about it, y'all. Super simple, super cool to use, fairly easy, fairly automated. All you need to do is define what your KPIs are, assign tasks as team leader to each member based on that, and then the team member fills in if they've done the tasks or not, like every day. So like on Monday, baby hands does 1, cool. But by the end of the week, baby hands should do 10, right? Because those are their responsibilities for the week. So this goes into 4DX, it goes into team standards, because you have the job JD and responsibilities. You have when their personal coaching is with the VP. See, put in rules, team agreed upon, blah, 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 everything like that. So that is essentially the team standards tracking tool. I'm gonna go back. Oh my God, which one is it? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, stop. Okay. So yeah, that was it. I really hope this recording worked. It took me like 15 minutes to figure out how to do this. Let me know if you have any questions. Again, this is a team standards tracking tool for you to use for your team as LCP, but also for your VPs to use for their teams, because this is a team standards tool that can be used or should be used with every team. So go ahead, click on the folder, find yours, use it. Let me know if you have any questions. And yeah, that's it. See you later. And I'm going to end this stop broadcast. Bye.